Good morning! It's first day of school of Iliana. And this is her school. Oh, Tomer. Tomer. Oh, Tomer. Oh, Tomer. Good morning! Iliana, be good, okay?
Yeah, I'm okay to go play school.
Oh, sila pa lang kayo. Yes, bye-bye. Say hi, say hi, bye-bye. You say hi.
Finally, the school is open.
Finally, Iliana school is open. Ito may mga ibang school din.
Or early.
Ayan, yan po yung school ni Ziana. Ay, ni Iliana.
I want to go to school. I
And then, yung school ni Ziana, buti na lang magkakalapit lang. Ito po, may school din ng mga bata. Pero mga religious. Ayan. So, may mga sarili silang school. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, Christian school. Ayan.
Write your name.
And then, ayan, ito po yung place. Oops. So, ito niya po yung dinadaanan namin. Puro mga puno, pine trees. Ito yung maganda dito sa Horeb. Ayan. Ito po si Sienna. Hi, Sienna. Say hi. Welcome.
And then mommy will pick me up late.
Yes. No! Next time, she will not pick you up late na because we thought it's 1:30. But now you pick you up early. See?
Yeah, because the teacher said only 150.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, 12:50.
Oh, 12:50.
Yes. Okay. So ito po ay Betabot, mga kapatid, home for the aged. May mga Pilipino rin dito, 10. Mga 10 daw sila.
Did you see the people in the window eating?
Yeah. So ayan, pasok na po dito sa Israel.
Oh no, I don't want to go to school.
Hindi ako to school. Ang ganda ng Betabot na ito, malinis. Ayan, laki. What's the name of your teachers, Sienna?
Shira.
Shira. Ayan. So, ayan, maganda dito sa Horeb, sa Carmel. Kasi marami pang mga puno. Ayan, alas 8 po ng umaga yung kanilang pasok. Tapos sa 1 ay uwi na sila. Ayan. Ito, mga pasok na rin sa school. Not to go to school anymore.
Yeah, I don't want to go to school.
Let's go. Let's go on the other side.
I don't want to go.
Ito na yung school ni Ziana. Malapit lang. Nasa ano lang. 150. 200 meters away. Hi, Ziana.
Hi. Daddy, I don't want to go to school.
Everyday yan sinasabi niya.
Daddy, mommy wants to pick me up at 12:50.
Hmm?
Pick me up late or early?
Early. Now early. Okay.
Only 12:50. Daddy, only 12:50.
Yes. Only 12:50, mommy knows it. Yeah. Okay, ito pa yung school niya. Okay. Say good morning. Oh, bigyan na. Oh, go. Oh, go. Go na. Hold. Hold this. Go. Go. Go.
Shalom. Good morning, Boker Tov.
Yes, she will not be late na. Okay? Oh, put it in your... Say bye-bye.